Ito.
This is the Philippine mango.
This one.
Yeah, we're gonna buy downstairs. That's the sweetest one in the world. You want the sock?
Yeah.
Without anything, this is pure.
Yeah, that one.
Ate, pure ba to? Walang halong tubig?
That one, that.
They make it, you see?
Kaso di pa malamit bago tagal.
You want fresh, the one they just made without,
Yeah, fresh.
not the cold one?
Yeah, fresh.
Pwede po ba yung fresh, hindi malamig?
What about Marco here?
Kung ano gusto mo, dali, pili ka. Malamig? Pili ka dyan isa.
This one.
This is for Marco, but wala kayo maliit. But they just made this one. They transferred the soap. They don't have smaller one.
When they make this one?
Ang daming tanong. Kailan nyo daw ginawa to, ate?
May expiration.
May expiry, they have expiry.
7. Kanina lang bukas.
This one I want take. This one.
Alright. Gusto niya ito. Magkano po yung malaki? 160. It's 2 euro, Bebche.
All?
Yeah.
Okay. Me and you this
Kasama
one.
na to?
Tsaka
I pay
ito.
by card.
Nagtatanggap ba kayong card, ate?
Fresh lang ma'am. Tsaka dito.
O sige, meron naman akong cash. What you think? Fresh buko juice, ah? Fresh coconut juice.
Amazing.
It's amazing. It's real, no sugar, nothing.
Made by Filipinos.
Made by Filipinos. Wow!